Jay? That's all you got?
That's all I know. Besides, I seen him cap the fool and toss him in a dumpster. So we cool?
We'll let you know, depending on the quality of your information.
But I gave you Railroad J. I gave you the killer. You owe me. You owe me. Get me up out of here.
Corbin.
Nicole.
Corbin, it's over.
We just got here, baby. Look, we'll stay for half an hour and then we can get back to my place. To tell you the truth, I don't feel like listening to Julian gloat about his artwork either.
I'm breaking up with you.
Between you and me? I don't even know why the panel's letting him participate in the contest. I mean, it's unfair. Sure, his art's good. He already claims to make.
No, it's over.
No, he just doesn't trust himself anymore, just like every other hackneyed clip artist out there, just clawing away at the art world just for some fucking... And just like the rest of them, he's got that same little limp...
Listen to me. Julian and I have been seeing each other for 3 months. We've been sexually active.
Sexually? Nicole, hold on.
You really do this for Julian, and not only can you...
I should leave.
Let me explain.
It's okay. I think I get it. I had this relationship once. I was so fucking happy. So fucking naive. And it all ended badly. I'm just saying, you kind of lose that feeling, you know?
Yeah. I'm not there yet.
What was she like?
I'm glad you're here. It's gonna be okay.
God, what happened? The officer who picked me up didn't know anything.
No, it's gonna be all right. He's in surgery right now. We'll know more when the doctors come out, all right?
Okay, we've been stuck in traffic for like 3 hours.
Okay, no, it's all right. Put your bag down. Come on, I need you to take it easy, all right?
Okay.
Can I get you anything at all?
No.
Sure? Need to make a phone call? Somebody should call?
I should call his parents. I need to know what happened. I just left the house. I didn't even think about calling him before. I just didn't even bring my cell phone. I think I left the stove on.
Oh, it's good. Hey, okay, all right. No, one thing at a time, all right? I got a cell phone. Okay. All right? We'll call the parents.
Okay.
Let me send somebody, somebody by the house. We'll check on the stove, okay?
Thank you.
We're gonna get through this together, all right? I promise.
Okay.
Jenny, it's gonna be okay, Jenny. It's gonna be okay, Jenny. I promise. You got my word on that.